Good morning, students. In this section, we are discussing about the state model of control system. In state model of control system, let us consider the two input variables. That is, this is the state model control system. These are two input variable. This is the two input. U1 of t is the one input. This is the U2 of t is the second input. This is the y1 of t is the output. y2 of t is the second output. This is the x1 of t state variable. This is the x2 of t is the state variable. Simply, this is the two input state model of a control system. This is the two inputs, input, output, state variable. This is the state model of the two input control system. Okay, simply by using this diagram, you can write the state equation and output equation by using this one. How to write the output equation? The output equation of the two variable control system, the output equation is y1 of t is equal to c11 x1 of t plus c12 x2 of t plus d11 u1 of t plus d12 u2 of t. This is the output equation y1 of t. The second output y2 of t is equal to c21 x1 of t plus c22 x2 of t plus d21 u1 of t plus d22 u2 of t. These are the two output equations. By using these output equations, you can write the matrix form. The output equation y1 of t is in the terms of the x1 of t, x2 of t and input y1, u1 of t and u2 of t. This is the x1 of t, x2 of t is the state variables. u1 of t, u2 of t is the input variables. The output variables y1 of t, y2 of t is in terms of the input variable and state variable. Okay, this is the output equations of the two input state model. You can write the matrix form of these two equations, that is y1 of t, y2 of t. This is the column matrix is equal to, this is the c1 c12, this is the c21 c22. This is the C matrix is multiplied with the x1 of t and x2 of t column matrix plus the second one is the d11 d12 and d21 d22 is multiplied with input vector u1 of t and u2 of t. This is the form of matrix of the above two equations. Simply multiply this entire matrices, you get the output equations. The c11 x1 of t plus c12 x2 of t plus d11 u1 of t, d12 u2 of t. This is the first equation related to first output equation. The second output equation y2 of t is equal to C21 x1 of t plus C22 x2 of t plus D21 u1 of t plus D22 u2 of t. Simply this matrix I am writing as the y of t is equal to, this is the matrix C matrix, this is the x of t plus the matrix is denoted by D matrix, the input variable is the u of t. Simply this equation is called first equation. This equation is called output equation. Output equation. Next one is, this is the output equation. Next one is how to write the state equation. The state equation is defined as differentiation of state variable. The state variable x1 of t is equal to differentiation of x1 of t is equal to state equation d by dt of x1 of t is equal to x dot 1 of t is denoted by x dot 1 of t. The second one is the differentiation of second variable d by dt of x2 of t is equal to x dot 2 of t. These are the state equations. X dot 1 of t is the state equation, x dot 2 is the state equation, x1 of t is the state variable, x2 of t is the state variable. Okay, differentiation of state variable is called state equation. How to write the state equation? By using the first model of the state model of the diagram. Okay, next one is the x1 dot of t is equal to a11 x of t plus a12 x2 of t. This is the not x1 of t, this is the x2 of t, plus b11 the input, this is the u1 of t plus b12 u2 of t. See, this is the state equation is depending on the state variable and input variable only. It is not depending on the output variable. Next equation x dot 2 of t is equal to a21 x1 of t plus a22 x2 of t plus b21 u1 of t plus b22 u2 of t. This is the state equations. Okay, how to write the state equations in the form of matrix? This is the x1 dot of t, this is the x dot 2 of t is the column matrix, is equal to the coefficients a11 a12 a21 a22 is multiplied with x1 of t and x2 of t plus this is the b11 b12 b21 b22 is multiplied with u1 of t u2 of t. Simply this one is written as x dot of t is equal to the matrix A matrix is denoted by capital A, this is the x of t plus the capital, this is the capital B, this is the input u of t. This is the state equation. This is the state equation. By using the state equation and output equation, you can draw the block diagram and design the one control system. You can consider state equation. The state equation is x dot of t is equal to ax of t plus b u of t. This is the equation 1. The output equation y of t is equal to cx of t. The x of t is the capital or a small letter, whatever it may be. The d into u of t. This is the equation 2. By using these two equations, you can draw the block diagram of the control system. How to draw the block diagram of the control system? By using this equation is u of t is the input, x of t is the state variable, the y of t is the output, x dot of t is the state equation. By using these relations, we can draw the block diagram. A, B, C, D is the constants. First, the u of t is the input. This is the u of t is the input. U of t is the input. The u of t is multiplied with b. This is the b. The u of t, you get the b into u of t. In this place, you get b into u of t. This one is added to ax of t. This is the one summer point is added to, this is the bidirectional. This is the added to a x of t. This is the x of t. See, the output at this point is a x of t. The input at point is x of t. See, this is the summer point. The output of the at summing point is in this place the ax of t is added with b into u of t. Ax of t plus b u of t is equal to x dot of t. In this place you get the x dot of t. How to convert the x dot of t to x of t? X dot of t is the differentiation of x of t. How to remove the differentiation? By applying the integration into dt. In this place you get the x of t. This is the x dot of t. You get the x of t. Next one, how to design the output? Then x of t is multiplied with c. This is the c is multiplied, and the summing of the, this is the summing of the d u of t. This is the u of t. This is the u of t is multiplied with d. This is the d u of t. In this place you get the u of t, d into u of t. This is the summing point, like this. The finally you get the output y of t. This is the block diagram representation of the two input variables of the state model.